how to fix our download error in iPhone, our download not working in iPhone, fix our problem. Now if you've been trying to download the R shortcut, so our download shortcut, right? So you open the shortcuts app, you've been trying to get that shortcut to your place, you're not being able to do it. First of all, if you have that shortcut, tap the three dots option next to it, or just long press on that shortcut and first of all delete it for once. After you've done that, just follow the instructions, go to your Safari browser and type in R download in this case. So type in R download shortcut for depending upon your device. Now you'll find many links over there. You can just select any of the first link over here, tap on the get shortcut button. After that, if it asks you to log in, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can simply choose any of the other ones that you prefer in this case. So let me just go ahead and select other ones in this case. And after I've done that, you can add the shortcut by allowing the pop-up on your home screen. So you can tap on add shortcut right over here, and there'll be different type of websites that will allow you this shortcut. So after you've done that, now you'll be able to add the shortcut to your iPhone's feed right over there. And that's all it takes for you to fix if the R download shortcut isn't working. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.